Maya, you look like you've seen a ghost. What's wrong?
I'm done, Leo. I'm quitting English.
Quitting? Why? You've been working so hard.
Because every time I open my mouth at work or with friends, they smile. Not a nice smile, Leo. They laugh. I made a mistake today. I said I goes to market, and the whole table went silent. Then they started giggling. It's so small.
Maya, listen to me.
People who laugh at your mistakes don't understand the bravery it takes to learn. But do you want to know a secret?
What?
Most people laugh because they see you trying to build a house without a foundation. Once you fix the foundation, the laughing stops, and the respect begins.
How do I fix the foundation?
It starts with the most powerful tool in English, the simple present. Let's spend the next hour rebuilding your confidence. Are you in?
Okay. I'm in.
Before we start, let's test your ears. Listen closely to this short story and answer this question. What is the one thing Maya does every morning that Leo does differently? Every morning, Maya wakes up at 6 a.m. She drinks a glass of cold water, and then she exercises. Leo, however, wakes up at 7 a.m. and drinks hot coffee while reading the news. If you have found the answer, comment below. Now, let's start. Okay, Maya, the simple present isn't just a grammar rule. It's the rhythm of your life. We use it for habits, facts, and schedules. Tell me what you do. No fear, just simple sentences.
I wake up. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Perfect. Now add a detail.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth with mint toothpaste.
Excellent. Now, what about him, your brother?
He wakes up late. He drinks coffee?
Remember the S. He drinks coffee. She eats toast.
Aha! The S for he, she, and it. I always forget that.
That's why they laugh. Master the S and you master the tense.
Let's try work. I go to the office. I check my emails. My boss speaks very fast.
Most bosses do. Do you understand him?
Sometimes I understand. Sometimes I don't. I feel shy to ask.
Use the present simple to ask. Excuse me, what does this mean? Or do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute? I like that. It sounds natural.
What do you do for fun?
I read books. I like stories about travel.
Do you read aloud?
No, I read silently. Why?
When you read aloud, your tongue learns the shape of English. It's like exercise for your mouth.
I see. I read aloud from now on.
I will read aloud. Or just, I read aloud every night.
I read aloud every night before I sleep.
Foundation. The solid base of a building or an idea. Giggling, to laugh in a silly or nervous way. Routine, a sequence of actions followed regularly. Confident, feeling sure of oneself and one's abilities. Silent, without making any sound. Now it's your turn. I will give you a verb, and you make a sentence for he or she. Verb, cook. Answer, she cooks dinner. Verb, watch. Answer, he watches TV. Verb, study. Answer, she studies English.
Leo, I don't feel like quitting anymore. I feel like I have a plan.
That's the spirit. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. Tomorrow, when you go to work, remember, you don't goes. You go. And if they laugh,
I'll just keep speaking until they listen.
exactly. See you tomorrow, Maya.
See you, Leo. Thank you for encouraging me.